Rainy night, sipping hot wine. You say, how are you liking the city of love? Why don't you find somebody new to write about in Paris? Well, I don't think I need anybody new, and I'm falling if you're making a move. So walk with you and I play it cool here in Paris. And we'll be running away like they're after us. Yeah, it's all just to play it till you're making me blush. And it's a stupid mistake, but it